Good morning, dear students. I hope you might be fine. After a long break, we are going to meet. And now we are going to start with a new lesson. A very, very interesting lesson. And that is Members of the Universe. So, bache, in this chapter, we people are going to explore your universe. You are going to learn about the stars, about sun, about planets, about the constellations. So let's start with it. Now, dear students, let's see what are the learning outcomes. मतलब आप लोगों को इस चैप्टर को रीड कर क्या समझ आएगा. See, what are you going to learn is about your solar system. Remember, we had a quiz on solar system? Yes, it was really interesting. The same topics we are going to learn here. We are going to learn about our planets. How many planets are there? And as a result, we are also going to learn about our Earth, the place where we live. Now, dear students, have you ever looked up the night sky? Oh, it's beautiful. What do you see there when there are no clouds and the sky is clear at night? Many twinkling stars. You see the moon, the brightly shining dots that we call the star. Do you know that all these dots that we see are not the stars? Some dots are even our planets. Now, let's see the star here. There is a difference between a planet and a star, and this difference we will do later on. Let's talk about the star. Stars are huge balls of hot burning gases. They are fixed and very distant from the earth. They appear very tiny. हमारे को stars लगते हैं कि बहुत छोटे हैं. Stars have their own light. Very interesting fact. Stars have their own light. The stars in the sky are innumerable. मतलब countless stars हैं. आज आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ नाइट स्काई देखना. And when your parents tell your parents to just count the stars, you won't be able to count. Why? Because they are countless. Do you know, आपको पता है stars जो होते हैं उनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा shiny star कौन सा होता है? Yes, Sirius is the brightest star in the sky. Try to check it out. It is bluish. ये blue color का होता है. And Sirius को हम लोग dog star भी बोलते हैं. We also call it a dog star. Dear, in the northern sky, अगर आप आजकल देखोगे जून और जुलाई in the summer season, you'll find one very, very bright star in the sky, and that is closest to the earth. And that star is known as pole star. Even आपके parents से अगर आप पूछोगे तो they'll call it Dhruv Tara. So you have to watch these stars tonight. Do watch them. Now, dear students, see the countless stars in the night sky. And now the bright shining star is the pole star. And the bluish shining star is Sinus. Have you ever got up early? जब आप सुबह जल्दी उठकर आते हो तो आप क्या देखते हो? There is a ball-like thing in the sky shining brightly. That ball-like thing in the sky जो कि shine कर रहा is nothing but the sun. The sun that gives us light the day long. और इतना ही नहीं, रात को भी. आपको पता है जो moon है कैसे shine करता है? It shines with the light of the sun. Yes, dear students, जितने हमारे planets हैं solar system में, वहाँ पर वो भी कैसे shine करते हैं, वो भी कैसे bright हमारे को दिखते हैं? Only because of the sun. Can you think of touching the sun? No, you cannot, because a sun is a huge ball of extremely hot gases. Continuous heat and light ये हमें provide करता रहता है, and it is also even providing the light to the planets of the solar system. The core or center point of a sun has a temperature of about 150 lakh degree Celsius. Imagine कितना हीट है सन के पास. हम लोग तो सन के पास जा भी नहीं सकते हैं. Nobody can do that. Because it is a boiling, burning star. Water boils at 100 degree Celsius. अगर water 100 degree Celsius पे burn हो जाता है तो well imagine what is going to happen on the sun. Can you imagine the immense heat of a sun? इसीलिए तो जब हम धूप में जाते हैं तो we feel the heat of the sun and everybody say don't go out, it's really hot. So this hot climate is only due to the sun. Now dear students, do you know that the stars form different patterns? Whenever we see in the sky, जब भी आप नाइट स्काई में देखते हो तो आपको लगेगा कि कुछ बहुत सारे एक स्टार्स हैं जिन्होंने एक पैटर्न बना लिया. So these patterns can be in the form of Big Bear, they can be Orion, they can be Crux, they can be Leo. आप लोग आज रात को ऐसी पैटर्न्स को सर्च करना, right? And you should be remembering that we find that some stars form a distinct group. These patterns are some distinct group and some distinct shape. एक particular shape बना लेते हैं. And these group of stars that form the patterns are known as constellations. And some examples जो मैंने आपको अभी बताए, it's Big Bear. Big Bear को हम लोग Big Dipper भी बोलते हैं. Orion, Crux, Leo, ये सब हमारी constellations हैं. Remember, you have to see in the night sky today to check out these patterns, but take the help of your parents. Now here you can see some of the constellations. This is the Great Bear and the Small Bear. In the near view, Ursa Minor is Small Bear and end of this is a polar star. Now the Scorpion. And similarly the Orion, it is in the form of a hunter. It is seen in the south sky.